Terry, there goes your food. Come on. There goes your food. Very good. Round of applause naman kay Terry. And of course, Nick for helping us feed Terry this morning. Thank you so much, Nick. Alright, good job. We're not yet done with hornbills. Because you know what? Next time, I'm going to bring out Bingo. Come on, Bingo. Ayan, kung kanina, si Terry ay isang Mindanao Terrific Hornbill, eto naman po si Bingo ay isang Rufus Hornbill. Alright, parehas po silang mga hornbill, iba-iba lang yung characteristic nila or yung kind or species nila. Alright, now in Tagalog, at ang sa Bisaya, alam niyo ba kung anong tawag sa hornbill? We call them as Kalaw. No, yan pong tawag sa kanila, sa Bisaya. And we have a lot of Kalaw here in Baguio District. Kasi alam niyo po, they usually live in forest land areas. Okay? Now, I'm going to share to you one interesting characteristic about hornbills. Alam niyo, they're very noisy birds. Napakaingay nila. They're even called the clock of the forest. Kasi, bakit kamo? At certain time of the day, 5 a.m., 12 noon, 5 in the afternoon, they would start to create sound. Nag-iingay sila. So for the natives living in the area, kahit wala silang orasan, they would know what time it is. Kasi tumunog na yung mga hornbill, no? Tumunog na yung alarm clock nila. Now, at this point, I'm going to show you naman how hornbills move around in the forest. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi natin ibon, we say, oh, they just fly above the trees. But you know what? Hornbills are quite different. Kung nakita nyo kanina, anong ginagawa ni Bingo kanina? Hopping, jumping, right? And that's true because in the wild, di na sila basta lumilipad. They also love to hop or jump from branches to branches. So observe yan. Pagka kita kayo ng hornbill in the forest. Alright, now, at this point, our topic is still about bird diet. I'm going to show you kung ano yung kinakain ng mga hornbills. Kung kanina, karne yung kinakain, ano naman kaya yung mga hornbill? Ayan, may hawak na pagkain si Gerald, tapos binibigay na ngayon kay Bingo. Ano yung pagkain binibigay ni Gerald? Prutas, correct? No, it's actually a papaya. It can even be mango, banana, or whatever fruit that is available in the forest land area. Kasi kung kanina yung mga raptors, karne yung kinakain, sila naman tawag sa kanila, frugivores. No? Birds that eat fruit as part of their diet. Okay? Very good. Let's give a round of applause naman kay Bingo, our Rufus Hornbill.